Volkswagen id.buzz. Are you guys familiar with this model?
A little bit. This is the all-wheel drive version.
Yes, sir.
Is it true that they're coming out with just a front-wheel drive version of this also, or is that out now already?
So there's a rear-wheel drive.
Oh, rear-wheel drive.
I don't know if they would do a front-wheel option. So even in the ID4, it's either rear-wheel or all-wheel.
I gotcha. I was mistaken. I thought it was front-wheel drive.
But yeah, this one is all-wheel, has the dual motors, 335 horsepower, 0 to 60, 5.4 seconds. And range, you're looking about 240 to 280.
Will this accept the Tesla supercharger?
It will not.
It will not.
Not currently.
Not currently.
Yeah, it's still on CCS. Now they have talks that they're going to go to their actual plug just being the Tesla charger in the future.
Instead of like an adapter or something like that?
So, but until it actually happens, you know.
Do you know what these retail for, basically?
Starts off at 60,000, then fully loaded, you're looking at 70.
70.
So the one that we're sitting in right now is listed at 67.
67. Now these were on sale in Europe for like
5 years.
5 years. Okay, all right.
4 or 5 years now, and then the U.S. version, it's a little wider, a little bit longer.
Oh,
These were just released in October.
Oh, these are actually wider too, not just longer. Oh,
yeah.
All right.
I mean, it's not by much, but I think it's like an inch or two difference.
Oh, okay, all right.
But yeah, they are longer and a little bit wider than the European counterpart.
What's the current charge time for it when it's like completely dead? You know, are we talking?
So 0%?
Yeah, zero, close to zero.
0 to 100% on a level 3 charger, you're looking at about 55 minutes.
55, okay.
On a level 2 charger, you're looking at about 7 hours.
7 hours, and that's almost like 110, I guess, right? Level 2 or something?
No, so that'd be 220.
220.
So the level 3 chargers, the type you see out in town, grocery stores, gas stations, those are 440.
440.
Welcome back. Thanks.